Hello, this is Dr. Janelle Perkins and Alpha Wellness Center coming to you mobile style from somewhere in the Texas Panhandle. Just wanted to wish you guys a very happy Monday and get you ready for this beautiful shift into 2015 with the new year around the corner. A couple things you might want to think about from a healthy lifestyle standpoint is what things are you going to be changing over the next couple of days, weeks, months, and definitely this next year. What are you trying to accomplish? One of the things that we have decided on is it's easier when you make small steps. So 1 degree of change. 1 degree of change today, and then maybe tomorrow, and then a couple next week. Going into the future, you're really going to see massive shift for you guys and how your overall lifestyle and health is and what you can seriously accomplish. It's pretty amazing. So January the 6th, next Tuesday, we're having our very first health talk at Alpha Wellness Center in Grapevine. Love for you to be there. Make sure that you RSVP either via Facebook or our normal phone line, which is 817-251-9828. We're going to be not only discussing how you implement these 1 degree of changes, but also all the amazing weight loss programs that we have in store for 2015. If you want to shed those extra sneaky pounds that crept up over the holidays and want to do it the smart way, without gimmicks, without fad diets, and want them to stay off so your body feels the best it possibly can, give us a shout. We look forward to seeing you. So this is Dr. J signing off. Have a beautiful, happy new year, and we look forward to seeing you in 2015. Thanks so much.